Welcome back to our video tutorial course where we show you how to create an incredible business blog like this through the power of AI. Drive traffic, customers, revenue, subscribers, and even reviews 100% on autopilot. Create incredible long-form content and blog posts with images and videos like these, 100% automated on a timed basis by setting up a simple automation, or create posts manually in under 20 seconds with just a couple of clicks. We're excited to show you all the features and functionality, so let's get into it. In this video tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at the reviews feature that comes with the blogs, to where you can collect reviews and you can display your most recent reviews. This message down here, it's only going to show if you are logged in as an admin. If you don't have this set up yet, it's just going to show as blank. But the way this works is you can set up an email campaign to email your subscribers or your customers requesting a review linking to this page. The benefit of doing it this way is you can filter out any potential negative reviews, as well as set up campaigns to where if they haven't clicked on the link or they haven't opened the email, you can resend it to them a week or two later, increasing the chances for a review. Once they hit this page, if they rate your business 1 star or 2 stars or 3 stars, it's going to open up this form right here that is going to be submitted to you. This gives you a chance to mitigate any bad reviews before they are left publicly. However, if they rate your business 4 or 5 stars, it's going to open up this right here to where they can click and leave a review on their chosen platform. And then down here, it's going to show your most recent reviews that you have received on Google. So let's go ahead and set this up. The first thing that we're going to need to do is go into our admin area and we can click on the settings tab. We're going to have 2 options here for our Google review link and our Facebook review link. And the first thing that we're going to want to do is to get our Google reviews links. So if you go to Google and search for your business, you can find your Google My Business profile, you can click on the reviews, and then you can click on write a review. And this URL right here is what you're going to want to copy and paste in the Google review link field. Next, we can get our Facebook review link. If you go to your Facebook page and click on the review, this is the link that you're going to want to use for the Facebook review link field. We can come down here, click Save Changes. Now if we come back out to our reviews page and click on 5 stars and we click on the Google My Reviews link, that is going to open up the page so that the user can directly leave a review. Works the same way if they click on the Facebook review link. Now let's go ahead and connect our Google My Business account so that we can show our recent reviews. If we come back into the dashboard and we click on reviews, we're going to want to click on the connect button. And what we're going to want to do is when we search for our business name on Google, we're going to want to click on maps. And if your business doesn't come up directly, you're going to want to click on the business profile. But what you're going to want is the URL for this Google Maps profile. And you're going to want to paste that into this field here. And we can see our business coming up. So we're going to go ahead and click connect. And that is going to pull in our most recent reviews. And now we can start configuring the widget. There are a lot of different options that we can select from. They include sidebar, slider, list, grid. But what we're going to do is we're going to select this slider right here. And now we can select a style. We've got a gray background, a white background, as well as some additional styles below. We're going to select the gray background. We can select some additional options down here, like hiding reviews without comments. But we're just going to click save and get code. And that's going to give us the code, but it has already been implemented on our reviews page. So if we come back out to our reviews page, and click refresh, we can now see our newly implemented recent reviews. In the previous tutorial, we went over the sidebar and menu options. We're going to copy this shortcode right here, and we're going to add this to our sidebar. And we're going to want to utilize this text widget right here. We can drag that into our sidebar. We're going to want to click on the text tab, and then we're going to want to paste that shortcode. We can click save. And now if we come back out to our blog, we can see the same slider with our recent reviews in the sidebar. So that's going to do it for this tutorial. This is an easy way to start collecting reviews and showing your reviews on your blog and increasing your customer and subscriber count.